What I wish I knew at 16 instead of 26? That you don't need a Lambo to have real fun on the road. Let me introduce you to the OG, the Mazda MX-5 Miata. Meet the 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata, America's oldest brand-new sports car. This little roadster's current generation has been in production for nearly a decade, outlasting flashier rivals and outliving trends. It's not about massive horsepower. With less than 200 horses and a 2.0L engine, the Miata focuses on pure driving joy. Lightweight, rear-wheel drive, a legendary 6-speed manual, no crazy tech, no gimmicks. Just balance, precision, and smiles in every mile. So, if you want a true classic, you can buy brand new in 2025. Forget the supercars. The Miata proves that old-school cool never goes out of style.